Hey guys, welcome to the team randomisation for break number 29, which is for a 3-box break of Elite 2016 from a fresh case. Thanks for filling it nice and early, guys. Okay, time is 9:15 in Cairns. Just go live here. Hope everyone's had a good day. Thanks for taking the last couple of positions, guys. Much appreciated. Just grab the team names. Okay. I'll chuck them in here. 16 teams, West Tigers down the bottom, Broncos up the top. So we roll the dice, so it'll be, we go 5 times for team randomising, my bad. It's 9:16, randomised 5 times, here we go. Hope everyone gets the teams they want. Obviously we can trade if you are both happy to trade. 2, 3, 4. Time is 9:16. Number 5. Okay. Scrub all in. Copy. Okay, Jason Hurley, you've got Tigers. Jason, you've got Raiders. Nick Brown's got Panthers. Adam Boas has Bulldogs. Dave Dale Sr. has Sharks. Adam Gersbach has Roosters. Jeremy Wells has Broncos. Jack Tate has Titans. Adam Bose has Storm. Dave Ross has Rabbitohs. Jeremy Wells has Knights. David Dale has Warriors. Nick Brown has Eels. Mark Johnson has Cowboys. David Dale Sr. has Seagulls. David Dale Sr. has Dragons. So hopefully everyone got the teams they want.